Hi, I'm Alexander, founder of CRMOZ. For over 10 years, our team of 60-plus experts has helped businesses work smarter, delivering more than 700 successful projects and over $2 million in revenue on Upwork alone. We're an official Zoho partner, and Zoho implementation and integration is at the heart of what we do. Whether that's Zoho One, CRM, books, or building custom workflows across the entire ecosystem. But our expertise goes further. We build web and mobile applications, engineer data analysis and BI solutions that turn your numbers into decisions, and integrate AI and business automation that cut manual work and scale what's working. What sets us apart isn't just technical skill, it's judgment. We take on the projects we know we can deliver. We fix implementations others got wrong, and we start every engagement by understanding your business before we write a single line of code. Discovery, clear estimates, phased delivery, no surprises. When you choose CRMOZ, you're not just hiring a vendor. You're gaining a team of consultants invested in your results. Smarter business starts with the right setup. Let's build yours. Reach out today and let's get started.